Hello people, my name is Fernando Sandoval, and today I am gonna show you one easy experiment with essential home stuff. This experiment is called liquid rainbow. Imagine if you can catch a rainbow in a little bottle. It will be awesome. Let's do this. The home essential stuff that you need are 2 crystal bottles, honey, liquid soap, oil, water, alcohol, coloring, yellow, blue, red, green. First, we are going to make the purple color, then the blue, green, yellow, and finally the red. To make the purple color is so easy. First, pour out a glass of honey in the bottle. Now we are put a drop of colorant red and blue in the honey and mix it until have an homogeneous mix. When you got it, pour all the mix in the big bottle. To get the drink, first wash the mixed glass to don't get a dirty color. Now size a middle glass of liquid drink soap and put it on the bottle where we have the honey. In this step, we need to be really patient and careful. Now the blue color, put the color in blue in water. After that, we are going to have the yellow. This is easier than the other. Just put the oil in the mixture bottle. Remember to have too much careful about it. Finally, the color red, we just use the alcohol and the red coloring. Shake it red and again pour it in the mixture bottle. Now you have the rainbow. Don't you see it? Put your cell phone light lantern in front of your mixture bottle and watch it. This is the experiment called you do it for entertaining your little kids at home, and you can do it with different colors. Enjoy it. Thanks you for watching it, and goodbye. Hello again. I will explain why liquids do not mix. The liquids do not mix due to their density. So for this experiment to go well, you must follow the order shown in the video. I had to repeat my video twice because I did not follow the order, and that led to the mixing of liquids. This experiment only took 4 minutes and its costs are low, so it's perfect for children when you are bored. Now, goodbye, and don't forget to comment please.